Good morning from the Arizona-Utah border. If you're new to the channel, we live in a van and we're currently traveling around the US with our two cats, Lula and Sasha. And before we head into Monument Valley today, we need to get some water. So let's do that first. Definitely stretching this hose to the max. We got some updates to our water system here that I figured I'd share with you. If you follow us on Instagram, you know we actually lost one of the 4 tanks.
It's not the way I saw it today going.
So we had 48 gallons of fresh water. We lost 15 gallons. So we are now down to 33 gallons of fresh water. Welcome to the vlog. Good morning.
My shaved head.
Yes, there's some updates around here. Scarlett shaved her head this past week. Everybody go tell Scarlett she looks cute in the comments. Alright, we've got the ladies in tow. 1 lady, 2 ladies. I would say worth the $8 for sure. This is sick.
Okay, one last look.
Alright.
One last look.
My ladies. Bye,
Right,
ladies.
Watch out. Watch out. You can't come. People always ask us what we do with the cats when we leave the van, and they stay in the van, they nap, they do what they normally do. There are a few things that we always do though. We always put up all our window covers, we turn the fan on, and we'll actually black out the skylight here.
I think we're walking around that thing right there. Okay, hiker. So these little huts are pretty cool. Oh, they are cuddling.
Are they cuddling?
Not quite cuddling, but they're
Ladies.
together. There they are. Hey, ladies.
Hey,
Hey, ladies. How's your nappy? As you can see, the ladies enjoy having a nice structured nap when we leave.
Oh, big yawn.
Oh, very nice. Yes. Sasha literally only has 2 little moods here. She either wants to go outside and be outside all day long, or she's okay to drive, and either one will appease her, but it's got to be something. She's got to be doing something. So, taking her on a little drive through Monument Valley. I don't think she realizes how lucky she is to be a little kitty with these views out here. So far, the road is looking pretty decent here. We'll see how far we go. I'm looking at this uphill, wondering if this little front wheel drive is gonna make it. Oh, dude, this looks rough.
Oh my god. I gotta turn around. I'm so
dude,
scared.
all the drawers are open. Everything's flopping around in the back.
That might be like the most stressful thing we've done in this van. Do we want to check damage to the underside of the vehicle?
See. We're good.
Okay.
We're about an hour and 2-minute drive to a spot that Scarlett found on High Overlander. Also, yes, we have matching Cotopaxi hats because we went to REI and we blew a bag. Doing some off-roading. Baby cat's getting involved. Get involved, baby cat. Get involved. She likes to shove herself down in this thing when we go off-road. We're also trying to keep an eye on the weather as we come out down to places like this, because it is supposed to rain out here sometime over the next week, and this place doesn't get a whole lot of rain usually. So what that can result in is very muddy conditions and roads. It says 7 miles on this in 31 minutes. We'll see how far we actually go down here. It seems like you could camp anywhere on this road, probably.
Yeah.
All right, just got to the site. It's pretty sweet, so I can't wait to show you. So that over there, right there, is Monument Valley. That's getting swamped with some rain right now. Where are you going? Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Where are you going? Ma'am, please. Please, ma'am. Hey, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Good girl. You can't run from me. Thank you, ma'am. We gotta head back. You're getting too crazy. You're getting too wild with it. Look at these little feet. Okay, not sure if you can hear, but the storm is coming in behind us here, and Scarlett's actually seeing like lightning over Monument Valley, which is really cool. It's like pretty wild out here. We were just talking about how this is probably one of the best spots that we've found in a long time, at least.
It's so stormy.
It's so stormy.
It's a good thing we did our hike this morning.
I know.
Like, it's been like a 180 from the weather.
I know. We're like holed up in the van now because it's so stormy.
We can't even open the side door because it's so windy. The like wind is like sealing the side door shut.
Yeah, it got kind of crazy out here.
It's cozy.
Yeah, the storm really like blew over. Pretty wild.
Oh, it's so cozy. We haven't had like a cozy day in a while because the weather has been so good. Like traveling through the desert, we've had like really sunny days. When's the last time we had a stormy day? I can't. Yeah. Maybe Joshua Tree?
Maybe. Oh. Olipop is where it's at. This is my favorite flavor, the root beer. I actually really hope we don't get stuck. That's one of my fears as the rain moves in here, that we're gonna get stuck.
I love how we talked about how we need to be like careful on these roads if the weather turns bad, and it's
turning bad.
It's raining.
Honestly, like we have enough to survive out here for like a week.
We do. So. We have enough Olipops to get us through.
Pretty cool out here. Pretty cozy. Nice little cozy day.
Leftover soup, and we could do these little hot dogs. Ooh. Tofurkey.
Those would be good.
We have one roll.
Big news. We got a new pan in the kitchen. This is the Our Place Always Pan, and I love this thing. Here are your rations.
Thank you.
It is getting to the time where it's time to start dinner. We're making crunch wraps tonight, which I actually don't think I've shown on the channel before, but I make crunch wraps decently often, I would say, right?
Yep.
I feel like it's a staple. Got our little potatoes diced up finely. This is kind of an extra thing, but recently I've been adding potatoes to the Crunch Wraps, and honestly, game changer. Shoot that in the oven. Alright, over here we've got our black bean, refried bean, and our tofu. Just found the largest clove of garlic that I think I've ever seen in my life. Look how big that thing is. God, so bad. That's so freaking bad, dude. This is like...
What happened?
I don't know. The thing freaking spilled on me. Are there towels? Dude, this is like oil. This is not gonna come off. It's pretty good. My cheese sauce there. Thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Can't find the sweet corn.
What?
But to be fair, you put everything away.
What can't you find? Let me find it.
You put everything away.
Quicker than you.
I found it.
Oh, well, I also. Okay, that's okay. The
I
chickpeas.
found it.
That's good.
So,
That's
I don't
good.
want to hear it.
When men look for things.
Not the biggest fan of these tortillas, but basically this is the idea. And then we're going to transfer this very carefully over to that hot pan. Oh, shit. So if you do it right, it should kind of seal itself up here and get a nice crunchy crust. Whew. And this right here is why these little guys have become quite the staple for us here. It's time to eat. Well, that's got a nice weight to it.
Got Sasha. Like,
Lula too. Lula has changed,
that's what I
y'all.
was saying. I was saying that Lula has like never been more interested in the outside world. Cheers.
We didn't feel like setting up our chairs because we're leaving tomorrow, so we're sitting on these rocks.
What season is it?
Hello, ladies. This is Lula, and she's our more timid, shy lady. Something in her has changed, and she is just cruising with her sister now.
Okay, while Seth makes a fire, I'm gonna try to sort the van out because it feels like a disaster. I know that there's really like not that much out, but it just feels like a wreck. So we're gonna get that taken care of. Okay, that's one counter cleaned. Okay, bed's all made. Counters are clean. Dishes are not done yet, but I will get to them. I'm gonna go see if Seth made a fire. How's the fire going? Doesn't look like it's going very well.
Good morning. What a beautiful day out here. They're flying some hot air balloons over here. Looks like most of them are landing now, but wow, what a beautiful spot. Baby Sasha and I are out for the morning romp here. She loves to get out in the morning. Probably her favorite little time to come exploring. I see some of us aren't ready to join the family yet.
You want breakfast? Ready? Okay, hold on.
Sasha has had to be recovered from her outside time today because she's being bad. Baby cat, are you being bad?
Sweating.
Chasing the ladies around. Woo!
Oh.
All right, we are packed up and about ready to leave. Scarlett's been chasing the ladies around for the last hour.
Breath.
They've been having a good time, and that's going to be the end of this video. Stay tuned because we're posting pretty consistently now on the channel, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure your post notifications are on, and go like this video because it really helps us out in the long run, and we will see you in the next one.
See you then. Bye.